Tom, can we talk about something important?
Of course, honey. What's on your mind?
I've been thinking about my career.
You're doing great at your job.
I know, but I want more.
What do you mean?
I want to start my own business.
Your own business? Like what?
A flower studio, floral design and arrangements.
You've always loved flowers.
It's my passion. I've dreamed about this for years.
That sounds amazing, Sarah.
But I need startup money. A lot of it.
How much are we talking?
Around $50,000 for the first year.
That's significant. Do you have a plan?
I've been working on a business plan.
You have? When did you do that?
Late nights. I wanted to be prepared.
That's so you, always planning ahead.
I need to register an LLC and apply for a loan.
Have you looked into the process?
Yes. First step is filing with the Secretary of State.
I'll come with you. We're a team.
Hi, I'd like to register a limited liability company.
Welcome. Is this your first time registering a business?
Yes, it is. I'm a bit nervous.
Don't worry, the process is straightforward.
What documents do I need?
You'll need to file articles of organization,
Articles of organization. What's an that?
your business name, address, and registered agent information.
What's a registered agent?
Someone who receives legal documents on behalf of your LLC.
Can I be my own registered agent?
Yes, as long as you have a physical address in the state.
How much does it cost to register?
The filing fee is $125 in this state.
That's reasonable. How long does it take?
Standard processing is 5 to 7 business days.
Is there an expedited option?
Yes, 24-hour processing for an extra $50.
What about an EIN? Do I need one?
Yes, you'll need an EIN from the IRS to open a business bank account.
Is there a fee for that?
No, applying for an EIN is completely free online.
That's great news. Thank you so much.
How can I help you, sir?
My wife is starting a floral design business.
Congratulations. Does she also need a business license?
That's what I'm trying to find out.
Yes, most businesses need a license from the city.
Is that different from the LLC registration?
Correct. The LLC is state level. The license is city level.
So she needs both?
Yes. First, register the LLC, then apply for the city license.
How much is the city business license?
It varies by city, usually between $50 and $200.
And she renews it every year.
Exactly. It's an annual fee.
What about permits for a floral shop?
If she has a physical storefront, she might need a seller's permit.
For collecting sales tax?
Yes, exactly. The state requires it for retail businesses.
This is very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to your wife.
Hi, I'd like to learn about small business loans.
Of course. Please have a seat. I'm Michael.
Thank you. I'm Sarah. I'm starting a floral studio.
That sounds lovely. How much funding do you need?
About $50,000 for startup costs.
Have you considered an SBA loan?
I've heard of it. What exactly is it?
SBA loans are guaranteed by the Small Business Administration.
Does that make approval easier?
It can. The government guarantee reduces lender risk.
What do I need to qualify?
We evaluate what we call the 5 C's:
The 5 C's?
capacity, collateral, capital, condition, and character.
Can you explain those?
Capacity is your ability to repay, usually shown by cash flow projections.
I have 3-year projections in my business plan.
Excellent. Collateral is assets that secure the loan.
Like property or equipment.
Exactly. Capital is your personal investment in the business.
I have $10,000 in savings I'm willing to invest.
That shows commitment. Very important.
What's the interest rate for SBA loans?
Currently around 7 to 9%, depending on the loan term.
I understand your wife is applying for a business loan?
Yes, she's very excited about her flowers studio.
That's wonderful. Are you also listed on the application?
Yes, as a cosigner.
Great. We'll need financial documents from both of you.
What kind of documents?
Personal tax returns from the past 2 years.
What else?
Bank statements from the last 6 months.
Both checking and savings?
Yes, please. And proof of identification.
Driver's license works?
Perfect. Also, we'll need the business plan.
My wife has prepared a very detailed one.
Excellent. The more detail, the better.
How long does the approval process take?
For SBA loans, typically 30 to 60 days.
That's quite a wait.
Yes, but the benefits are worth it. Lower rates, longer terms.
We appreciate your guidance.
Happy to help. Here's my card if you have questions.
That was a lot of information.
But all useful. Now we know exactly what to do.
LLC registration, EIN, business license, SBA loan.
One step at a time, honey.
The loan officer said 30 to 60 days.
That gives us time to find a location.
You're right. We should start looking.
I called a commercial real estate agent yesterday.
You did? You're always one step ahead.
She has a few properties to show us.
When can we go?
Tomorrow afternoon if you're available.
I'll make time. This is too important.
The Arts District has some good options.
That would be perfect for a flower studio.
Good foot traffic, creative community.
I can already picture it.
Your name on the door. Bloom & Co.
I love that name.
It suits you perfectly.
This space is beautiful. It's 700 square feet, perfect for a small studio. The natural light is amazing. Those front windows face south, great for displays. I could put my flower arrangements right there. Many florists love this area. What's the monthly rent? $1,800 per month. Utilities are separate. Is that negotiable? For a multi-year lease, possibly. What's the minimum lease term? The landlord prefers 2 years. That's a big commitment for a new business. I understand. Some landlords offer 1-year options. What about renovations? Minor modifications are usually allowed. I'd need to install a flower cooler. That should be fine. Just get written approval. When could I move in? The space is available immediately. Can I bring my husband to see it? Absolutely. I'm available tomorrow.
So, what do you think of the space?
I can see why my wife loves it.
The location is really great for retail.
What businesses are nearby?
A coffee shop, boutique bakery, and an art gallery.
That's a nice mix. Good synergy.
Exactly. Customers often visit multiple shops.
What about parking?
There's a public lot across the street, free for 2 hours.
That's important for customers with big orders.
Many florists here offer local delivery too.
Is the security good in this area?
Very good. Low crime rate. The neighbors look out for each other.
Good to know. What about utilities? How much are they usually?
For this size, usually $200 to $300 monthly.
Including the flower cooler usage?
The cooler will add some electricity, maybe $50 more.
That's manageable. We'll discuss and get back to you.
Take your time. Here's my card.
Tom, you won't believe this.
What? What happened?
The bank just called.
And?
Our loan is approved.
Are you serious? That's amazing.
We got the full $50,000.
Come here. I'm so proud of you.
I can't stop shaking.
This is really happening.
The interest rate is 7.5% over 7 years.
That's very reasonable for an SBA loan.
We need to sign the paperwork next week.
I'll take the day off work.
And then we can sign the lease.
The space in the Arts District?
Yes, I called the agent. It's still available.
This is all falling into place.
I couldn't have done this without you.
Now let's make this dream come true.
We did it. This is really ours.
Our first business together.
Look at this space. So much potential.
Where will you put the flower displays?
Right by the window. The morning light is perfect.
And your work area?
In the back, with the cooler next to it.
You've thought of everything.
I've been planning this for years.
When do you want to officially open?
In about 2 months after the renovations.
We should host a grand opening party.
Invite all our friends and family.
Free flowers for everyone.
Maybe not free, but definitely discounted.
There's the business owner talking.
I have to think about cash flow now.
Look at you, already a CEO.
CEO of Bloom & Co.
Now let's get to work.